What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing plugins in DaVinci Resolve, a powerful video editing software. Adding plugins can enhance your editing capabilities by providing additional features and effects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this step-by-step guide will help you integrate plugins into your workflow seamlessly. First, go over to this website. Make sure that you type this on your page accurately. As you can see, this plugin is absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about it. When they ask for funds, just type 0 and click Get Now. They will ask for credentials, so just do those and click Checkout Now, and you will directly go to this page. As you can see in the video, scroll down and click View Content. A pop-up notification will appear. Just click Download. After clicking the Install Plugins, a pop-up notification will appear in DaVinci. Just click Install. Installing plugins in DaVinci Resolve is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your editing experience. By following the steps, downloading the plugin, locating the installation folder, copying files, and testing the plugin, you'll be well equipped to customize your editing capabilities. Explore different plugins to find the ones that best suit your creative needs and elevate your projects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.